Welcome to TechSolve. In today's episode, we will learn how to add checkbox in Google Docs. First, open up your Google Docs document in your web browser. Now, here is a list into add checkboxes into. You click on the Insert tab at the top of the page. Then you locate and select Special Characters. In the box that appears, type in checkbox in the search field here. And you can see the options of checkboxes appears here. You can also use check. You can select whatever checkbox option you want. You could also draw a customized checkbox here if you want. When you're done, close the box and you can see that a check has been inserted in the list. You can copy it with your Ctrl plus C and paste in another list. To create a list with checkboxes, highlight the text where you want the checkbox to appear. Select the text. Then at the right hand side of the screen, you select bulleted lists. You select the arrows beside it, then you click or you select checklist menu and you select either of the two you want. Once added, click on the checkbox. You can click on it to check and to uncheck. So that is how to add checkboxes in Google Docs. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe for more useful content like this. Bye guys.